So I want to do a quick review on this blower. This is a battery-powered handheld blower. It does come with 2 batteries, which I love. It does get really good reviews on Amazon. These are 20-volt batteries. They're 4-amp-hour batteries. It does come with a charger. And it's got a nice handle here, and the speed is adjusted right here on the handle. It goes from 1 to 6. There's a pretty big difference between 1 and 6, but I am going to give it a brief demonstration here. It comes real easy to assemble. You just connect the tube there, and I've got the battery hooked up. I really like that it does come with 2 batteries, because in high power the runtime is not going to be great, but you have a second battery. This is not meant to be like some big backpack blower. You know, it's meant for, in my opinion, small jobs like blowing out a garage or a workshop, things of that nature. So let's start it out. I'm going to put it in high power. You can see here just some leaves and dirt on this workshop floor. And we can come in here and blow these away. We get out here, we got some wet leaves. We can So it did a pretty good job even on those wet leaves. 6 speeds, comfortable handle, very lightweight, easy to handle. So for light blowing work, I do think this is a good blower for that, and gets good reviews on Amazon. I hope this video has been helpful for you.